Hi guys, how can you create a black and white halftone effect in Photoshop like this? First, open your image. Go to Image Mode Grayscale and click Discard to remove color. Now go to Image Mode Bitmap. In the dialog box, make sure the output is set to 72 pixels per inch, or match your image resolution. For the method, select Halftone Screen, then press OK. Now set the halftone settings. Set the frequency to around 20 to 25, for example 22. For shape, choose round for a clean dot effect. Press OK. Now zoom in to see the halftone dots clearly. If you don't like the result, you can undo and try different frequency or shapes for different styles. And that's it. This is how you can create a black and white halftone effect in Photoshop.